Renovating a fixer-upper with your girlfriend is super exciting, but trust me, there are some major regrets people wish they dodged when doing home renovations. So here's the deal. First off, always budget for way more than you think you'll need. Like, double if possible, because unexpected stuff pops up all the time. Next, don't rush picking materials. Cheap floors or countertops might look good at first, but scratch or stain crazy fast, so spend a bit extra on durable options. Also, make sure to plan your layout carefully. Changing walls or plumbing later is a total nightmare and costs a fortune. When it comes to paint colors, go for lighter shades in smaller rooms. They make spaces feel bigger and less gloomy. Another thing, hire professionals for anything electrical or plumbing. DIY might seem tempting, but can cause big problems down the road. Don't forget about storage. People often overlook closets or cabinets and then regret the clutter. Try to live in the place for a little bit before making major changes to flooring or fixtures, because your needs might change once you're settled. Lastly, communicate clearly with your contractor so there's no confusion about what you want. That saves tons of headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make during home renovation projects is underestimating the total cost, which leads to cutting corners on quality materials or finishes. Fix this by creating a detailed budget with a buffer for surprises. Another common issue is picking trendy designs that don't age well or fit your lifestyle. The fix here is choosing classic styles that you genuinely like and that add value to your home. Lastly, people often skip getting multiple quotes from contractors and end up overpaying or working with unreliable pros. Always get at least 3 estimates and check reviews before hiring anyone. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners like you who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making the whole renovation journey smoother for everyone involved.